absolute. Nice one right there. He picked it up. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Look at all of them. There's another one. This looks like the biggest one in the group, too. This looks like the biggest one in the group. I'm gonna walk back to get this net. Oh my gosh, I see him all the way out there. He's big. He is big. Get to the front of the boat. This might be the biggest one I've caught this whole trip. On that same school, but we got the big honker now. Oh my gosh, that's a freaking pig. Look at the belly on this thing. Goddamn paddle for a tail. Oh my gosh, there's a giant smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good googly moogly. Oh my gosh. That's what it's all about right there, baby. That is what we do it for. Look at that thing. Show that out to the camera. Look at that thing, dude. That's an absolute. Get some water. Oh my gosh. That is an absolute giant. Don't go belly up on me now. Oh yeah.